Hello, I'm David Chesworth, and this is Walk 1 of our Walking While Listening series. On this walk, we'll be listening out for repetitions, patterns, and cycles in the sounds that we hear. As you begin your walk, take some time to sense the different kinds of sounds that are reaching your ears. There might be sounds that have become so familiar to you that you don't really hear them anymore. And then there are sounds that are so subtle and maybe insignificant to you that you've never bothered paying any attention to them. Think of leaves rustling in the trees. So on this walk, listen for as many different sounds as you can, including those sounds that you might not normally be aware of. And that could be all you do on this walk, listening out for sounds you normally ignore or have taken for granted. Sounds flowing into our ears are the product of objects and animals interacting with each other, and that includes humans. Many of the sounds we hear are from objects that humans have made. Are the sounds that you are hearing one-off sounds, or do they repeat in some way? Maybe try to identify the different kinds of repetition, the different patterns. Do they have a rhythm? This might be quite difficult because some sounds are quite complicated, almost chaotic. Are some of these sounds part of some kind of cycle? For example, think of the weather. That's a kind of cycle. All of these sounds that you are hearing have durations. Sounds are sonic markers of the flow of time. So listen out for sounds that are very fleeting, that might last just a second or so. And then those sounds that are much longer and are persisting. They may have existed before you began your walk and last much longer afterwards. And sense how these one-off sounds, these repetitions and cycles are overlapping and coinciding. Because there's always several repetitions and cycles coexisting. And enjoy your walk.